Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete your Pollo AI account. If you want to delete your Pollo AI account, here's how to do it. First, log into Pollo AI and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop down menu, select Account Settings and scroll to the bottom where you'll find the option to delete account. Before proceeding, keep in mind that deleting your account does not guarantee refunds for previous payments, as Polo AI's refund policy isn't publicly detailed. Once you're ready, type in delete my account exactly as shown, with the capital letters at the start of each word, then click confirm, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your Polo AI account. For added peace of mind, you may also want to reach out to Palo's support team to double check cancellation of subscriptions or any pending charges. That way, you can ensure your account is fully closed without unexpected fees. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.